One of the things that I like the most when I do coaching with sound is that the whole process of listening to ourselves is empowered by the experience of sound. And I think this is a very unique experience that we are not exploring that much in our daily life. And sound, will say that can reach inside of your body, in your mind, your emotions and energy, combined with practical breathing techniques. Sound can really wake up in you those emotions, those feelings, that connection with your body that will spark your creativity, your attention, your connection. And on top of that, we are connecting sound with body movement. So there are different parts of our process of coaching. Obviously, we are going to set goals, we're going to listen to your story, create a roadmap, organize check-ins, and schedule them every week, for you to follow up and organize micro workshops and trainings, e-learning content and materials, and do a proper assessment of your life journey, your timeline, and what do you need to explore, to develop, to go deeper in, to transform. Where do you find yourself right now in the process of change, transition, or eventually loss? Have you lost your company, or a friend, or a relative of you have passed away, or maybe some dreams or feelings or relationships? Life is all about change, and when something changes, we may have the feeling we have lost something. But in reality, we're experiencing a deep change. And to navigate change and transition in our days very rapidly is happening in the life of everybody. Then we need to learn to connect to the flow of life, to ground ourselves, and explore the emotions that will help us to easily move ourselves into the flow of life, of change. And all of that you want to learn with me through simple exercises and conversations. We're going to use some tools, and you will discover how easy it is to navigate your life with sound.